We got here for you guys today on the menu 2012 Chevy SS, absolutely stupendous, orange color, got nice wheels on it. SS, got the stock catalytic converters. This one comes with 4, 2 on each side. Then we installed a X pipe on it, 2 1/4 intermediate pipe instead of the resonator. Then it continues on to a muffler delete on the back. And we put some 4-inch tips on it, double wall stainless steel tips. One there, one there. That's where the mufflers were. And that's where the resonator was. We cut it out. I'm gonna give it a nice, deep, loud sound, hopefully. Hope you guys like it. And I'm about to show you guys what came off. These 2 mufflers came off of it. That one and this one. And the SS's come with a huge resonator to try to quieten it down in the middle. And we took that off. Black stripes.